Mystery Bacillus explored. Bacillus cytotoxicus, a largely unknown food pathogen. Before you panic about yet another new food pathogen, this bacterium is mostly found in dehydrated foods containing potato starch and insect-derived foods. Bacillus cytotoxicus is a member of the Bacillus cereus group. It's been linked to rare but occasionally fatal cases of diarrheal disease. Illnesses are perhaps underreported because it grows at different temperatures from other Bacillus bacteria and could therefore be missed in microbial diagnostic tests. Much about it is unknown, including how it enters the food chain and whether it persists in food manufacturing environments. A new study reports that Bacillus cytotoxicus is best incubated at 50 degrees Celsius and might not be detected during food testing for other Bacillus species, which is done at 42 degrees. It was found in 82% of mashed potato products and 67% of potato flake products, but not in non-potato containing foods. The researchers found close genetic links between samples taken 5 years apart in the same production facility, making it likely that the organism can persist for a long time in food production environments. And there is a link to that study in the email and the post.